Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Almost 70% of Medicaid enrollees with opioid use disorder do not receive meds. Break. More than 69% of Medicaid enrollees with a new diagnosis of opioid use disorder, OUD, do not receive treatment within 180 days, according to a study published online November 23 in the American Journal of Drug and Alcohol Abuse. Peter Treitler, Ph.D., from the Boston University School of Social Work, and colleagues examined patient and community-level factors associated with timely medications for OUD, MOUD, receipt in a cohort study including Medicaid enrollees in 44 states aged 18 to 64 years with a new OUD diagnosis. A total of 1,172,200 Medicaid enrollees with a new OUD diagnosis were included in the study, 51.8% female, 55.8% white. The researchers found that 69.2% did not receive MOUD within 180 days. Receipt of MOUD was lower among Black and Hispanic enrollees, hazard ratios, 0.68 and 0.91, respectively, versus white enrollees. Heroin/synthetic opioid overdose occurred in 3.2% of enrollees during follow-up. Lower risk was more strongly associated with methadone and buprenorphine than with naltrexone. Hazard ratios, 0.14 and 0.23 versus 0.70, respectively. Increasing access to methadone may be particularly important, given its large protective effect against overdose and the substantial policy and service delivery barriers to access, Treitler said in a statement. Abstract/full text. Disclaimer, statistical data in medical articles provide general trends and do not pertain to individuals. Individual factors can vary greatly. Always seek personalized medical advice for individual healthcare decisions. And copy, 2025 Health Day. All rights reserved. Ad as a preferred source on Google. Read this next model predicts poor outcomes within 30 days of a before medically advised discharge. Thursday, November 28, 2025, a model may predict death or illicit drug overdose within 30 days of a before medically advised, BMA, discharge, according to a study published online. Parental opioid Rx more than doubles risk for persistent use in offspring. Thursday, October 30, 2025, adolescents whose parents had less than speak 2 or more opioid prescriptions have a more than doubled risk for persistent opioid use, according to a study published. Fewer than half of drug overdose survivors go to the hospital. Wednesday, October 22, 2025, among survivors of drug overdose, fewer than half visited the emergency department, according to a study published online October 16 in JAMA Network. More news resources to MedWatch. Drug alerts daily. Med news for health professionals. New drug approvals, new drug applications, drug shortages, clinical trial results, generic drug approvals. Subscribe to our newsletter. Whatever your topic of interest, subscribe to our newsletters to get the best of drugs.com in your inbox. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.